I GC News, Miba Bawumia Aquaba, Ahadiya latest and hot news and I'm a promo. I need to say we now subscribe to the channel or more than say we subscribe to the channel. You'll be answer over click the subscribe button now or barely notification. We understand the video be upload on the first person I was a video. I think we are like the video and give us a thumbs up, my fee. Shema of Frosso now we be here now and somewhere also. I think Yambura and Sema Ameto Yapunoso. It's a reporting about the Sansamia community.
And I'm happy Akufo Addo became president. Unim Bibintia. Kwasanka wa my president. He would have been the best president Ghana never had. And the Ghana will always make reference to him. Say, oh, Papa will call Baya. And then here, he is here. Look at the track record. Look at the signature. Akufo Addo is the most terrible, reckless president we've ever had in our history. And I'll be shocked going forward if we will ever have any reckless president of his magnitude ever. Because it won't happen. We will never, because Ghanaian youth today are very, very alert and they are watching. So whoever come, no, the opposition, it doesn't matter. So we are in this, we are NPP, we are Mahama, we are Kufuor, we are Hwang. I think we've got into a time. There be a case, amamonu nkoye, but baby abedrui. I think an emergency boom. As I heard the telegraphic Crimea, yes, 39 NDC protester cage.
Yeah.
These are young guys. A binum political party.
Yes.
A binum political party.
Yes. And
protesting on moye and NDC na organize the protest.
Exactly.
A Ghana for Mabunu na transi who say be a galamsey issue na druno. We need to come together and tell government in the face is enough is enough. Galamsey ne adverse effect no enim NDC ni and enim NPP ni. The very personal president Akufo Addo our man for license say omonko forest to do mining and we anya conjecture a fact because LI 2664 no map the president to exercise the sole discretion of a man for kwan say concession we I forest reserve kwanako room na kotu agudia forest reserve are Rollins pencil Kwame Nkrumah pencil Kufuor pencil Mahama pencil Mills pencil Adaho and they could have allow people to go into this virgin forest to mine, but who say for biodiversity and wildlife conservation and other stuff, until we need to preserve these areas for the future. Akufo Addo buy no anya amanfo ne wura makoyo ono na afa krata no ochro wudia
wa be mratu so
waye mratu so
mra ne nu ho no ye
yes 2022 na mra no buy and American LI 2462 no our man for kwan say omonko muram no omonkotu and baby a Ghana bedro ynyina nim say galamsey de ekono nye say amanfo abaifo na etu galamsey eye nipa na etu galamsey president nim ho wa man for license and nipa license na sesanses no okwa the whole Ghana has a kura etoso me no efso eye kumase the mayor of the Ashanti region ekura the company for state release na babonte no all seeking to mine in the forest Sampan yes and your friend said Cameroon to make a kahon and several other NPP parliamentary candidate for your friend said Joabin South Oba Parliament. He is involved or connected to about 16 companies or more access to go and mine in a forest reserve. And the adena yakoso and yes obi ne se baby to aban mu mpanyimfo anetu and these young people are coming to the street. Ahunyansa ka kira aban say ade we baby ekose yanso ano a yenyina ye dache is on the line because when sorry radio so what is a kidney failure there was this research that somebody did. Most of the amount for hospital munya conditions in here amount for migrating from mining areas because of the poisonous chemicals are used to mine in these areas and so galamsey no to be but economy so a kidney no level no yemini manyina say and no hospital amount for a feel the impact president aware now when you wadwen say wo ye anything about it na say amabu no mo kroma sorry say ye bibi fa ho and omumum and ya so omo say ye de omu kwa prison and Dampare na policy for aswa emrante 39 and de omu prison custody and they been police custody and they've been denied a bail and do be say oman no nipa ready to win a show monsano are they really fighting to protect the interest of we the ordinary Ghanaian and as a sikana nipa no benya no and there and on our very important so we are Ghana near the biggest protest ebetimi aye ti Akufo Addo e de say abato na ye kwakoto no ye kwakoto atu na se kwakoto abama Bawumia Akufo Addo na okọ so what the kwanchen so that these people can be held responsible and accountable for the various crimes of my committee against the people of this country, because you have to be creating a certain system where people will come to power, use state resources, state power and whatever that they can lay hands on. Now you're making life comfortable for themselves, still for their family and their relatives, and in the end, they leave Ghanaians impoverished. And then now we get out there and try to protect them. That era is gone. Average Ghanaian be in Nyansa and internet obi anso obi achi a amanfo timitegu abonten koye demonstration ne protest. Akufo Addo cannot use these people to say or the papa ne shame. Yet kroma ye po bi say Dampare kwachi no de ne kokota. Ye nipa na ofa $58 million edukotu amana our cantonment. Ne adan swimming pool. Abante na okobu kwan ma amanfo ko wura mu no. Onu mom na ye se ya chi no de ne kokot. Ba nipa na otam $58 million edukotu sa amana no. On an amhafa no hwadi asofo na omogbo kaso kakese e share no kutu pase onfa Ghana for 58 million enkotu sa amana no omonam ho eto de e den animguase baaye no we fa krata so resign we fa krata so resign now resign na wo resign no 58 million no yansabaye den na aka. These are questions that we should be asking, you understand? So I think they're going forward, Ghanaians, we need to hold people responsible and accountable. Sabaya in the future, obin to for Ghana for adwin media grana ye 2 million mawa odi babaya de ope, because 2 million the whole essence ne say braba to nema sabia ni pasistra ni panche shebe ko ye saa de ne sa wo ye, but we there it's clear say Akufo Addo ba so obeye ne ho ye, and then the family members, and so he galamsey list upon list e ba bontia omomutu akasefo no mwom ni nyina ye party people onimomo ebirima wom or the licenses na momo na so we president we nyina duru say Akufo Addo tiatem so president e dinam wo primary school watiatem ne ababeduru. People thought say certain wisdom will come to bear to the table, because on the experience never not knowing say his era will be marked as the most incompetent president in the history of this country. Akufo Addo era is a disaster, and I think it will be our chance 2016. Now who the course na all kasenka change be na change the be papa no obi an who has been not mu da ho ne onu ne ho, because 2016 baby na Mahamadu Ghana ekono senka ye to aso maybe nka nya ne senka ejina hai papa na ba abeteki over 20 steps backward and Ghana for Owusu, but the economy he doesn't care. Afekwa na yeguso a yechichi amanfo di omugum nipa na yachi obono so ko ha ebinyem opemfo wom obi ha otwam na yachi no. There is this woman, it's a reporter say or asthmatic. There are other people who say ebikwa hepatitis B patient they need care. These are people you know makogum yemo bail body be no moye, because yes aban to galamsey aban man nkro for kwan so muntu galamsey, but aban say on siase say yes ade nti yedina mu bail. There is no basis for this. Or mine na a lawless republic or be a to me can just do anything out there. Remember, at this point, protests are Bonteno. I buy not demonstrating clear now 7 years. Why protest went here? 4 months I can protest obeti. The biggest protest ever found say young Koto Abanayan Tuno. Now you're making sure say they will answer for every single crime of my committee against the people of this country. That is the only way out. And yes, sir, on before Muhwedi, because Bawumia or more Pelono, he's just their puppet. Akufo Addo is just a big fraud theory. Bawumia scholar out of that college. So in the puppet no the neighbor Okoto Abamana is the same thing. Akufo Addo will never be held accountable. But all her crimes like Ken Ofori Atta, atama maisi kadia kutu swimming pool, ewa cry ne uko biema man for shekra uko da prison. No afa no hodi asofo meka ho ene ada contractor ekeka ho ada Ghana kusibuati ya boni din. It got to a point that joker was on Ghana for loan. I said, what you here? Or also the Nisika air bo your mobile senior our project. So look at this. And Sanema you're training to go, and the problems now is you're visiting your candy be any candle or credit to be a better because of hypocrisy. And the sad aspect is a man for Mokanwa. where is it civil society, where are him for, where are so for issues remember boyama yaka because you see ye NDC problem ye NPP problem because I remember when Mahama was president nyama oye ye hu asofo mu use omo puppet they insulting him, they were insulting the president I remember there was this software or say Mahama Koje get motu abakroma.
Yes.
He told him that he should exercise common compassion in tandem with common sense. Asofo ni nyina at that time no obi a hold grudge against obi because nyina oman ni nyina ye de obi a ho akwanya but then the akoso no airtime the akoso no is 1,000 times worse than what was happening under your friend saying Mahama time. So the question is Argentina everybody is quiet ko cathedral Sammy okosi sasika akọ into $58 million way for sasika no for northern region fako BA fako western region now be some the kind of lives a bit change. There are a lot of people Ghana for ya selling your home into modern day slavery. Ghana for edge visa ko your friend saying Egypt yako Egypt Ghana for visa Akwa Middle East to sell themselves into modern day slavery, all because of desperation, hopelessness. There is nothing for them. Ghana from Rantia Winim Omuko Libya. Desert no fa so bedu Libya na nya de ketwa owi a wase akotena balu a yehui bi so atena so atwa Mediterranean Sea to sell themselves to slavery in modern day all because opportunities na abundant when the chrome no few misguided greedy people because of politics are taking over, and these are software they are the conscience of the society ahemfo mukura tumia ya traditional bond no mu hold no ombetinya sora fie monia ka kire President Nisabi ensewunu no odi kwa ensewunu we na Akufo Addo demonstrate in 2016 ka Ghana ndintu abama no say ye sorulo say ye ferino say de yo ena ye nyina ye Jáil no ena waye no ho kinkon like a messiah with that God concept. Now Jáil say he's better than Obia na Obi otumika so better than Kroma there e de bemjiem ena wanya akwanya na oye de ope me free say Obi ati ye na yama no kwan ena odi sansem hunu no Ghana for coming together. The power of the people no is superior, more powerful than those we have elected. You understand? It is a Ghana for coming together in one accord, irrespective of how you stand across the political divide. You divide. They say indeed, you better go against the government and force the government to do the right thing. Rollins can be or say there is no single perfect president anywhere. Obia even kofa Jesus Christ by any president. That's a people na more man sorry to be on that particular person. The next day you wake up, he will be a monster. So we are the sentinels of our democracy, destined to protect its foundation. And say it doesn't matter who is there. Say when you dene set say you be jinamo minor. I'm not sure say any single person or group of people can just come and take advantage of this country and say ya to Obama and they met me. I think some penny for now fairly young people in this country, because when I look around that I'm penny for a bit to do near to a winning, but you are so much disappointed. And I'm saying some Ghana Medical Association. And your friend saying Professor Jamponi in crew for other associations. And you see you are buying individuals now who sabi adia buying any class. Because yes, a galamsey say a ban say na ban with me term concession I forest at the man for anti obatia civil society organizations about 6 at their buying court. More catch court and they say unnullify LI 2462 na make no because inconsistent with the provisions of the Forest Act and 1992 Constitution. Sam Krofo Motin activists in the Hunyansa AC were buying by buying na so protected the ultimate interest of the people of this country. The science and on for licenses. Since I make a say nipa 35 ni companies 35 and they let Akoto Akufo Addo anim the power to go into the forest and mine. So this person echo into a crisis meeting. Now of them have a catcher say me the soldier for echo grounds. I could protect galamsey side. Don't you think that person is a joker? Because it's the same person who is giving the concession to people to go and mine. No, but catch us say, oh yeah, we are because galamsey no. It's not as if there is no solution. No, I'm against this practice of giving concession to individuals. But say so what stop government from forming about 200 state-owned companies? I have a training amount for engineers and miners. NASA individuals in the company. Na yede my concession be more, and each of them will employ about 2,000 young people. With that particular thing, you are able to monitor because these are state-owned companies fronted by individuals with requisite expertise. Yede mining. So at any point in time, so when we say Adibia Koronga, you know what company to call and who to sanction at that point in time. Individuals no more concession, you just push them into this company so that they will be regulated by this company. End of the day, gold no benyano. You can even build a refinery, a common pooler, whatever they get, you put it there. End of the day, you will get money to pay all the young people working under these companies over 2,000. Don't you think that youth unemployment in Asobate? Because if you are working in the gold or mining industry, people will make money.
But we live in a country whereby all government agencies are underperforming.
Yeah.
Menoka say yenine bre.
Yeah.
Emma labor unions folding crofobin dom hujimwa. And 5 of our hotels.
Yes.
I sent to the
Yes.
This weekend, Saturday, I'm Amina.
Okay.
Amina, there are no more tone. It was so no
Yes.
It was so no. So don't you think that it's about time? As I said, so my answer so yeah. For sudden I hate the reportage I na daily guide deba.
Okay.
Yeah, politicize BB. I don't know or mine on canco iron.
Okay.
Or for people here do anymore. Some protesters here come as me are young Ghanaians.
Yes.
None of them are share party attire.
Yes.
And the same reports already by Daily Guide in the 43 NDC protesters grabbed.
Yes.
When Radia.
Oh, okay.
A date in the crowd. Let me had Enra 24th, right? Tuesday,
yes.
24th.
Yes.
And then Wednesday, we're 25th. And then
25th.
And then the other by I don't know. 39 NDC protesters caged. Look at this nonsense from Daily Guide.
My question is say obi NDC ni awe Togo ni. I know free Japan. Onya Ghana ni. So this obi a Ghana NDC ni no a protest. I didn't stop nipa no. If asemo can legitimate.
Yeah. So the protest no all is against illegal mining.
Yes.
Illegal mining no. Your government.
Yes.
Are buying the head of that government now, captain of the captain. No?
Yes.
That's what they want. What in the presidency?
That's so.
Which I know send no was
yes.
Because money tape will have.
Yes.
Me pastor asem we die. Bawumia na echi omatumo. Ye kasa sese no na do wo UN. Na se president from my man odini position edi man is second in command.
Police for Bawumia police council ono dano.
That is intisense.
So what about the police? Yeah.
Bawumia.
But me say
yeah.
One, ya say sika.
Yes.
Abai put up a committee.
Yes.
Ana process from Paul Boatendano.
Yes.
Ye hu tape.
Yes.
Ana tape ni mo no.
Yes.
A setting Kwausi.
Yes.
E ka kire yen say party here sika. He made mention of event say John Buedu and mentioned some names.
People, yeah.
Yes. And all of a sudden, you know, as a BBNC.
Yes.
And wow, you know. No,
you guys got free.
What kind?
Yeah. Simple explanation. Simple explanation. We have an irresponsible person as a leader. Because if you are responsible in a house, I mentioned what's the efficacy da?
Yes.
Oko efficacy your friends nipa gumbe bra papa na responsible, mama na responsible. Do you know what happens? Ebeduru oko fie ho eduru numra, mama no na aduane. Papa no na aduane, akwara no fra bonten ba no be no na aduane, we ba no be no na aduane. Fie ho obi an hyemra ma obia because obia ye na bo ma obia de ne ho. That is the government you see. Akufo Addo has demonstrated clearly said he's an irresponsible leader. And it is a president Nankasa has shown irresponsibility. How dare do you expect state institutions to be responsible? Because you see, leadership is everything.
Yeah.
The rest, your friends say effect. So, state-owned enterprises, these things are not performing. It is because the person, the president, the leader, who is supposed to exert a certain influence, certain authority, and certain power over these institutions and these individuals, on this sacred responsibility imposed on him by the constitution. So, I know that all aspects will take inspiration from him. For instance, issues of corruption. We live in a country where the president himself has been figured in issues of corruption. So how dare you go tell DC sitting in the village, say, oh, you're corrupt, when the president himself is so corrupt to the extent, say, he can't purge himself. It is not possible. Again, what can about state-owned enterprises? Look at the presidency itself. How filthy it is. Nipa yaso mokokuguo. Ye budget sikasa na the Jubilee House. Jubilee House yenye factory ho, ana yenye portrait ho. So sikana kwa eden. So another day, if budget allocation to the Jubilee House to me as to change other way critical sectors, then other people will mess up. Because Yatikroma state-owned enterprise here can say me Bank of Ghana in a single year I reported have over 60 billion loss. President Akufo Addo no dey omo. Honorable TI NDC parliamentarians, these are honorable people in parliament, staged the demonstration. The guy had a gut to tell them, he insulted every one of them. You understand? So if you can cause such a loss, demonstrating, you have the power to insult them. You are still at post that impunity will grow, and several other areas. Yet here one of the banker, National Investment Bank, yeah, Penida Manakoda no. Obi a parliamentary candidate. Moving from village to village. Campaign no. And Akufo Addo afano say onye in charge of that particular bank. So you see, there is the signature of failure and irresponsibility around the president. It's so staggering and so monumental. So no ankasa fail, and you cannot look at any of state institution and expect them to perform better, because me say leadership is everything. The rest is effect. And again, galamsey said na ye council no. Say Akufo Addo ye very responsible, say indeed of it here. Enka Professor Prempeh Watson enough arsenals to go after every single person. But besin there what is all ye Prempeh Watson na free the evidence by no and now hefa. When was the last time what is able to do on radio? So because the guy has been demonized, he has been insulted, he has been bastardized. Today he's gone. Obia kwan kai ni biem because of idea or standing for so and yam fight galamsey on the report come President Akufo Addo. He sat on the report for almost 2 good years until say no ankasa leaking out my by. So the president has demonstrated clearly say when it comes to galamsey any other way only interested though me say Akufo Addo the presidency he came to satisfy his childhood fantasies of wanting to be president without responsibility. Unfortunately for him, he was able to sell that lie to Ghanaians in 2016. Ghanaians bought that lie, and today we are living the lie. The lie has consequences, and it's the reason why we are going through all this. And I think, it's a moment for us, and I'm happy Akufo Addo became president. Because president, he would have been the best president Ghana never had. And the Ghana will always make reference to him, say, oh, Papa will call Baya, and then here he is here. Look at the track record. Look at the signature. Akufo Addo is the most terrible, reckless president we've ever had in our history. And I'll be shocked going forward if we will ever have any reckless president of his magnitude ever, because it won't happen. We will never, because Ghanaian youth today are very, very alert, and they are watching. So whoever come, the opposition, it doesn't matter. So we are NDC, we are NPP, we are Mahamadu, we are Kufuor, we are Hwang. I'm telling you, your president want to tell me that is the fact. We see, because 2 million the amount. Do the right thing. Make sure say we create job opportunity incentive for people to make. Yeah, the 2 million in man now say you feed your cronies, you feed your friends. Prioritize personal interest over the larger interest of Ghanaians. Because I don't need a traditional radio station to go and talk. And uko social media I don't for Kevin Taylor. Yeah. Edra do nipa da about 10. Unkwana nipa 5,000, 10,000 agent with you. And then because people want to be educated, people want information. That is the era. And information more consuming, you're consuming van kwadao. When you get information, a so certain light within you will ask for answers. And if you don't get it, that is why the accountability comes in. All right. So I see that there is a way out.
Okay. Ivan Che innocent. Honorable say onye innocent. And otis wadene ediaba. Menoka say a democracy hub. A group be one more demonstrating on the streets of Accra. Ghana Police Service at Chiwom. I'm a report to 39 of them at the police custody. It been cry so much yare. Anka lawyers at Shore Crataria come seeking for medical attention, but unfortunately, Ghana Police Service nyadi say that permit and on come NED the fight against galamsey protest protesters just one more Akoto Agyarko. Yan twaso enfion me we are then yaba 1 week after NDC moye children electoral commission nyade say one more actual team pu e dey ato paper so e dey assign them say one more competition yan hwe yenuane mo a omo Akoto Agyarko a omo boa amagana nsuo emuatie ne yenyan su papa anomoyi mamitio
yo Boakye mi dawase democracy what have
yes
o masem de mobo because for Assembly say Adentina omoye demonstration and a demonstration. Yenshu yanti enuntina omoye demonstration. Na yenshu ya ye kanwase revo fini ni ekeka honi nyina no. In the Ghana for 80 Adentina aban entumi ensori enchina ni naiso. Astopu galamsey. In them media house be. And a media house no mpanyifo say omo ankasa to me set up system a particular enclave they stop people from mining there. And I said, wow. If an organization, not government organization, to me stop nkrofom we galamsey ewo mu enclave, then what is the government of the day doing? Upon taking 1.1 trillion as revenue, what are they doing? Omun country Ghana for. And asa ejuma omudin wo hontin. Inde ye man mu ewa omu se akoda no ne nsa ne ho. Naso eni ho. Inti NPP for nanado any police for sansema democracy hub for any demonstration mususu mu tibia na mo tibi ewo maimu na eyobra papa na aban no ti akonya so na yebo Ghana for wenti na yesre mu ma say nanado si free SHS se ma bia free SHS kuwa amanfo akọ school awie amanfo akọ school wie no nanado aban entumi aye de embie djuma mom enti omentumi ambie djuma mom no what must happen? This youth must go into galamsey. That is where you find them. Abrofa ya chrom no omu di kwa atechem ateche a adroa ebe ham body no ewom. Because look at NPP for yakase NPP for a very incompetent obi be fi say ye politics. She say free SHS nanado numa didi unsa for 8 years no oma nye framework bia anto ho. There is no law guiding the free SHS.
Yo waiting for winning and summer abeto yapno so because GC so and our hello so we subscribe ya omo say we subscribe to the channel since hadie latest and hot news and Aremeyaw promo Afriyie na like video give us a thumbs up nothing share my for so now we may be here now and some more so ewo Ghana me muhano also betimi actually what you for here so we now ewo comment box ni mo beti ni gabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.